What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing discussions, analysis, and news about crypto, NFTs, and blockchain technology. That's all that this video is, right? So you and I are talking about cryptocurrency, discussing the latest news, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. The market stinks right now. I mean, there's no other way to put it, right? Extreme fear. We've come off levels of 5. We're sitting at 9. And the prices are even lower today, which means that we're going to be down at a level of 7 or 8 tomorrow if this price does not rebound and bounce off these lows that we're seeing here. $66,000 Bitcoin, $1,900 Ethereum, $79 Solana, and 580 point per coin Shiba Inu coin. Guys, these are bear market prices. We're in the bear market cycle, if the 4-year cycle is still intact. And of course, we're seeing levels right now, levels of extreme fear that didn't even exist in previous bear market cycles. So the minds and the mentalities of retail investors are getting torched at the moment. Well, let's look at what's happening with Shiba Inu Coin's infrastructure. And you know, it's not even Shiba Inu Coin's infrastructure. Shibarium literally has nothing to do with Shiba Inu Coin. It's all about Bone, right? Shiba Inu Coin does not benefit from Shibarium whatsoever, so it's not utilized whatsoever. So I don't understand why these guys write about it, but so Shiba Inu Coin's price hovers near key support at 500 points per coin as Shibarium prepares its second quarter 2026 privacy upgrade with FHE technology. I believe that's the fully homomorphic encryption technology. On-chain metrics show mixed signals for Shiba Inu Coin adoption and recovery potential. SHIB is consolidating near key support levels as the ecosystem prepares for significant technology upgrades in 2026. You know, I'm just thinking about it right now. Now, with all of these privacy enhancements, now when they steal from you, it's going to be private. Now when Shibarium gets hacked, it's going to be private. Now when they allow catastrophic failures to occur, it's going to be private. And they're going to tell you that, well, no, nothing to see here because it's private. Price action remains weak following an extended downtrend, and technical indicators suggest bearish momentum persists, though conditions may support a short-term bounce. The Shiba Inu Coin development team, which they did not develop Shiba Inu Coin, please keep that in mind, is working with cryptography firm Zama on major privacy initiatives. The upgrade will deploy fully homomorphic encryption data or technology across the Shibarium network. FHE enables data to remain encrypted during processing and computation. This represents a substantial shift from current blockchain architectures. The technology could position Shibarium as a leading privacy-focused Layer 2 solution. There are so many other chains that do not have even close to the blemishes, right, and the horrific history that Shiba Inu Coin's ecosystem team has developed. Shibarium hacked for millions of dollars, fake transactions to inflate the numbers. I mean, I can think of so many better privacy situations and solutions than Shibarium. Beyond privacy features, Shibarium is targeting improvements in scalability and real-world applications. I don't even understand where they're getting this information from anymore, because the Shiba Inu Coin X account, okay, no longer has anything to do with Shiba Inu Coin or the ecosystem team. Cal has claimed no responsibility whatsoever for anything developed around the ecosystem. Lucy, the marketing guru, markets nothing. Mazrael is bowing down to Satoshi, some newly formed prophet of a fake religion that he's trying to sell all of his dedicated and devout followers. It is crazy what is happening to this crypto ecosystem here. And I don't understand where these people are coming up with these articles, because there is no ecosystem. It fell apart, right? The strategic pivot towards privacy comes as regulatory scrutiny on crypto transactions intensifies globally. Privacy-preserving technologies are gaining traction among projects seeking to balance transparency with user confidentiality. On-chain metrics show uneven adoption patterns. Active addresses account have declined in recent months. The trend indicates user engagement has softened despite ongoing development activity. And there's no ongoing development activity. The ecosystem team has given up. Lower active addresses typically signal reduced network utilization and transaction volume. Well, in this case, it probably signals that they turned their bots off, right? There were not millions and tens of millions of transactions happening per day on Shibarium. The numbers were always inflated. The numbers were always bought and paid for. The numbers were always fake news. Now, one of the things that we can look at to see when on-chain activity actually does increase is Google Trend Analytics. And if we look at it right now, Shiba Inu coin did phenomenal in 2021. It did okay in that spike during 2024. But right now, guys, Trend Analytics and search volume show that Shiba Inu coin is below a level of 1, which means that there's not even a fraction of a percent of the people remaining that were here in 2021. Now, this does not cause me to give up. I continue to move forward, and I do not let the fear, I do not let the fear cause me to make my decisions. I make my decisions based on logic.